Hey, what's up, my boys, my girls? How you feeling? Today we're gonna make another classic. So let's go. You know what I'm saying? Just like, let me pick something. Nah, I don't want this. I want something like this, and this. Okay, this sounds good. G. Oh, for real, G, man. Okay, make it RP. Okay, what's this? Maybe that's G, but not actually. Okay, yeah. How you feeling? I'll make it like that. Okay, so. I think it's cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I feel it. I feel it right. Something really bad. And it's something really bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you feel it right. Okay. Like this. No. Replay. Replay. Okay. Dun 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 dun. You feel it. Okay. Like this. And then like this. It's gonna be so cool, baby. Now a little slower. And not actually like this. Like more like this. How it need to be? Okay. Let me pick hit one. Oh yeah, you feel that bounce? Everything is changed right now. Okay, so just a little work on a beat, man. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. I actually, in a lot of my latest beats, I don't even use Moogie basses and like what is this Reese basses, but right now I think is the right moment for this. But let me actually pick. This is sick, man. I don't know. This is a new wave of these 808s, and this is hitting so hard. Oh my god. This is what is this? It's like, bro, man, it's crazy. a badass. Okay. Make it sustainable. And then boom, 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 boom. How it gonna be? Maybe it ain't like this. Why it ain't? Oh, and damn, bro, nah. It just ain't real. It just ain't real. Nah. I forgot that I'm a rock star. Everything that I write down. You feel that? My God. Okay, and then just like okay, let's go, man. I don't even speak nothing right now. Okay, okay. And just leave space, you know. There's two 808s and it hitting so hard. Like, oh, yeah. We ain't gonna do none of those hi-hat rolls. It's just gonna be a bass roll, man. Nah, a bit faster. Oh, nah. Stop playing with me, bro. This is so hard. Okay, right. Let's go. Hey, yo, I've been running shit a photo with a mom with a wicked honor. And I'm trying to lie, so but I better not. Let me write down a little just, okay, just a little showing off. Haha, okay. Yeah, I like the showing off, man. Okay, like, I have some presets that I actually use on my vocals. It's like, shout out to some boys who create those videos like, FL Studio preset for like I don't know what it was. I have some Solfego, all type of that. This is cool. Actually, this is cool. They make some real cool things. I don't actually know. Maybe it was this. Yes. Okay. So how I do? Just turn it in one. Okay, and this thing disable. I don't want to hear myself. I have latency, and I don't need no latency. Nah, actually, we're gonna make it a little bit easier. Split by channel. Maybe it's harder for somebody, but not for me. Not actually for me. Okay, what, aha, okay, it just matches. You feel it? Man, that's crazy. I don't even go mix that. Nah, I don't give a damn. Okay, hold on, let's go. Let me like, it just starts with a, like, just a little. Make it like that. No? And okay, and then it just drops, man. Just drops. I'm gonna mumble, but you already know what it is. You're like, just push your versions out of that. If you wanna, you can copy all my vocals. I don't give a damn. It's gonna be cool already. All my fans, I love you. Okay, okay, hold on. Then I make it like that. Okay, and then I turn it off. There's two, three, or three, two, one. Okay, it's just buttons under this. So this is always was my problem. I don't even know how to fix it, but now I know. I'm just when you wanna want when I was inside, caught it on the best down. If a shorty wanna lay down, spin it, I got. If we chasing on my guap, and I'm chasing on my guap with a shorty back, with a shorty lay down, where my shorty is. If she wanna, I can't even match, I can't even push it out on my fucking leg. Yeah, worried out when a bitch mother go to in the alley where they know where I trip no. In the waking house the door when I'm in know it, like a phone when I want when I dreaming know it's so low when I'm in it soda, and I own it and I'm older. I got racks on me, I ain't soda, and I feel when I know I'm in low, yeah, that right, I'm in motherfucker, yeah, I'm in y'all, and I shut it off, hey, I'm in stable and I made it now, and I'm walking now, I like, and I am in now, hold up, it's a bag on me right now, yeah, it's a bag on me right now, hold on, I can measure what it wide out, yeah, and I step on the way, what it out, all light, you know, zimming on it, all lies, what a, it's about fathers, yeah. And a profiler. I ain't give a damn if you wanna slow ride it, yeah. Okay, and then you just until now, just on three, just like that, just what it is. Okay, we got G minor, hold it, and then just go. When you wanna want when I went inside, caught it on the best down. If a shorty wanna lay down, spin it, I got. If you chasing on my guap, and I'm chasing on my guap with a shorty back, with a shorty leg down, where my shorty is. If she wanna, I can't even match, I can't even punch it out on my fucking leg. Yeah, worried out when a bitch mother go to in the alley where they know where I trip no. In the waking house the door when I'm in know it, like a phone when I want when I didn't know it's so low when I'm in it soda, and I owe it and I'm older. I got racks on me, I ain't soda, and I feel when I know I'm low, yeah. Damn right, I'm in motherfucker, yeah, I'm in y'all, and I shut it off, hey, I'm in stable and I made it now, and I'm walking now, I like, and I am in now. Hold up, it's a bag on me right now, yeah, it's a bag on me right now, hold on, I can measure what it wide out, yeah, and I'm still on the way, what it out, all light, you know, zimming on it, all lies, what up, it's a profilers, yeah, and a profiler, I ain't give a damn if you wanna slow ride it, yeah. That's just it is, and if your music is more minimalistic, more easyable, more understandable for you, actually, what the most interesting, if it's like that for you, that's cool. There's a green point, there's a big green flag. This is means it's just okay, and it's so great and so good. Feel like a rockstar inside of you. Nobody can say that you're a rockstar and you actually be a rockstar. Even if Jack White come for me and say, yo man, all my life I play in the White Stripes, and then my solo project, Jack White, you know, I'm a rockstar, and I see you're a rockstar. Okay, I will be inspired, I ain't gonna lie, but actually, all these years, only I talk to myself like you're a rockstar, and this is true. Remember this, and you know, be greater and greater every day if you want. If you wanna be a rockstar, be a rockstar. If you wanna be nobody, be nobody. There's no problem. I trust in you. All I can say, and big love for everybody. My last words. Okay. everybody, thanks for watching, and we gonna meet in another video. Let's go. Damn.